how to find delete account settings on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find delete account settings on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in top, and here just click settings and then you can click accounts, and here you will find it, this one here, the last one, delete my account. If you want to delete your account, all you need to do is just click on it and then you can delete your account. And that's how to find delete my account settings. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.